In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Tag Manager code in Shopify step by step. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify store owner or just starting, understanding how to effectively implement Google Tag Manager can really enhance your ability to manage and analyze your store's performance. I'll guide you through the process from beginning to end to ensure everything is clear and manageable. To begin, you'll need to access your Google Tag Manager account. Within your account, locate the container that holds the tags you intend to use. This step is crucial because this container is essentially where all your tracking codes or tags live, and it's the key component you'll be integrating into your Shopify store. Once you're in your container, you'll notice a container ID in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this ID and you'll be directed to a page that provides two code snippets you'll need. The first snippet is designed for the Yet section of your website, and the second one is for the Yay section. Keep these snippets handy because you'll be copying and pasting them into your Shopify theme code shortly. Next, open a new window and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to Online Store, which you'll find in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on this option and you'll see a list of your themes. Choose your active theme by clicking on it, and then look for the three dots located next to the Customize button. Click on these dots and choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu that appears. Once you're in the code editor, take a look on the left-hand side for the Layout section and find the Theme Liquid file. This file is where you'll be adding your Google Tag Manager snippets. Go back to your Google Tag Manager account and copy the first code snippet, the one intended for the section of your website. Head back to the theme.liquid file and paste this snippet immediately after the opening to tag. By placing it here, you ensure that your tags load before any other element on your page, which helps in capturing all necessary data as soon as your site is loaded. With the first snippet in place, return to Google Tag Manager and copy the second snippet, which is meant for the What section. Paste this snippet right after the opening What tag in the same theme.liquid file. This location is critical as it activates the Tag Manager functions required for each page load. After both snippets are properly placed, all that's left to do is click Save in the Shopify editor to apply your changes. Congratulations! You've now integrated Google Tag Manager into your Shopify store, allowing for enhanced tracking and marketing analytics capabilities. Remember, anytime you wish to add new tags or modify existing ones, you can do so through the Google Tag Manager interface without having to access your Shopify theme code again.